This is the main Yada dashboard. This is where you can take a look at some of the really useful key metrics and events, like unread chats, response times per message, chat status breakdowns, and a few others, like new chats, new contacts, and more. The first thing you want to do when getting started with Yada is integrating Yada with your property management system through the Power-Ups page here, and integrating the Yada chat widget with your direct booking site. This is really easy. Just copy this code over here into the head section of your site. We're going to show you how to do this in a second. Copy the chat widget code and head over to the code for your direct booking site. Paste the Yada chat widget code at the bottom of your head tag, right before the closing tag, like so. Make sure that you don't paste the Yada widget into the body tag of your site, or it won't show up. Many of our power-ups and property management systems have specific processes for integration and activation. Each of these has its own instructions that you can find on that power-up page or on our knowledge base. Once the chat widget is deployed on your direct booking site, you can engage in real-time conversations and messages with your guests. It shows up immediately within Yada, and you can do a lot of cool things here. You can respond to guests, have a conversation with them, see what pages and listings they've been looking at, where they're coming from, and also to create bookings in your property management system directly from these chats. By far, one of the most powerful features of Yada is our state-of-the-art chatbot that can answer hundreds of guest questions in real time automatically without any input from you. So we're going to go into editing a quick listing here and showing you what sort of information the chatbot can provide back to guests and how you can set up listings to do this. This is a new listing. If you've integrated through a property management system, much of this will already be filled out based on listing information and on information found in previous conversations that you've had with guests. So the AI takes care of all of that in the background. So for this sake, we've populated a quick listing. This is a brief example of some of the types of the conversations that Yada can handle autonomously. So it's able to handle all sorts of conversations, all the way from inquiry to booking to check-in to arrival, in-stay, and then some of the conversations that happen after guests leave completely autonomously. Of course, the Yada chatbots are available on any channel that you might want to use to communicate with your guests, including, of course, on-site chat, Instagram, Telegram, email, Facebook Messenger, SMS and direct text messaging, Facebook, Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, TripAdvisor, WhatsApp, which is key, and of course through all of the property management systems inboxes that you may have integrated with Yada. And these property management system inboxes typically serve as direct routes to your conversations that happen through all of the OTAs that you might be listed on. So in a nutshell, Yada chatbots are available on any and every single channel that your guests might be on and might want to communicate with you with. We're so glad that you're joining the thousands and thousands of listings and rentals that are using Yada every single day to put their messaging on autopilot and engage with guests at scale.